good evening. This is Miss Barb with Teddy Time. I have my favorite teddy bear here, and we're going to do a bedtime story. I hope you've got your pajamas on and you've got your favorite stuffed animal, whether it's a teddy bear or something else. So sit back, relax, and we're going to do a story, a finger play, and a little song. So, good to know that you're here. I'm going to put the teddy bear down so he can listen. Put him right over here. This is called The Bear in My Bed. The Bear in My Bed is written by and illustrated by Joyce Wan. And she did both the story and the pictures. And we want to thank MacMillan Publishing for letting us read this fun book. So it's called The Bear in My Bed. What are you doing here? Look, he's talking to that big bear, not his teddy bear. Mom, there's a bear in my bed. Very good, honey. Let Teddy have his beauty sleep and come eat dinner. No, not that bear. He means this bear, doesn't he? I'll be back at bedtime. Don't touch my toys. You can tell he's sleepy. I'm back. It's time for bed. Look at this mess. First, let's put the toys away. I don't think the bear's putting the toys away. I think he's taking them out. Then it's bath time. More like splash time with you. That big bear's getting water everywhere. Now it's time to put on our pajamas. Bear, look what he did. He put underwear on his head. Oh no! Then we brush our teeth. What's Bear doing? I think he's brushing his nose. Silly bear. Now it's potty time. I said potty time, not party time. Shameful bear. Next, we read a story. We read books, Bear. We don't eat books. Then we go to bed. Oh, he's trying every which way to fall asleep and ow! He fell. I don't think we can both fit in this bed unless... Just about done. Now there's a bed for each of us. He made bunk beds. So, I'm going to give you a big bear hug, then a kiss goodnight. And now let's tuck you in. Finally, lights out. I wonder if they're going to go to sleep. Good night, Teddy. See the little teddy bear? Good night, Bear. Sweet dreams. Clink, clank, clunk. What's all that noise? Is this what they call a bad hair day? Ha, ha, ha. Well, it's lights out. I hope you enjoyed the story. I know Teddy really enjoyed the story. Now we have a little finger play for you, and I'm sure you've all heard it. It's called 10 in the Bed. So let's count. How many teddy bears? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There were 10 teddy bears. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Now how many were there? There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right. There were 9 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. How many were in the bed? There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right, 8. There were 8 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. There were how many in the bed now? There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were 7 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. Now how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, 4. There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. There were 1, 2, 3. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. There were 1, 2. How many in the bed? 2. There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. There were how many left? 1. There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, I've got the whole bed to myself now. Yay! Oh, that was a lot of fun. Thank you for joining me. And I have one more to do now. And this is called Teddy Bear, Teddy Bear. So we're going to use our bear with this one. Our teddy bear, they kind of look alike, don't they? So, teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, go upstairs. Teddy bear, say your prayers. Teddy bear, turn out the light. Teddy bear, say good night. Good night. We hope you have pleasant dreams. And for more bedtime stories, stop by the library and pick up some more books. Good night.